In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check where your form submissions are being stored and routed automatically. If you're using a form on your website and you want to make sure responses are going to the right place, this process is very simple once you know where to look. This is especially helpful if you're troubleshooting missing submissions, confirming a connection, or just reviewing how your form is set up behind the scenes. To begin, go to your settings area, then open Advanced, and from there, select Form Storage. This section gives you an overview of how form data is handled for your site. It's the main place to review storage-related settings, so if you ever need to confirm the overall behavior of your forms, this is a good starting point. Take a moment here to look through the available options and make sure everything appears as expected. Next, open the individual form block settings on the page where your form is located. This part is important because form storage can sometimes be managed at the specific form level, not just globally. Once you open the form block settings, look for the connected storage options. This will show you how that particular form is configured and what destination is currently linked to it. If you have multiple forms on your site, be sure to check the correct one, since each form may be connected differently. After that, access the connected destination where submissions are being sent automatically. Depending on your setup, this may be a Google Sheet, a MailChimp audience, or an email address connected to the form. Open the connected Google Sheet if your form is sending responses to a spreadsheet, and review the entries there to confirm submissions are arriving correctly. If the form is connected to MailChimp, check the relevant audience or list to verify that contacts are being added as expected. If responses are routed to email, open the inbox associated with that destination and look for incoming form notifications. As you go through these areas, the goal is simply to confirm the path your submissions are taking from the form to their final destination. If something seems off, checking both the main form storage settings and the individual form block settings usually helps narrow it down quickly. That's all you need to do to verify where your form responses are stored and where they're being routed automatically. Once you know these locations, it becomes much easier to monitor submissions and keep your form workflow